I had a Zoom call with a prospect. He's a 25-year marketer and he's interested in going in-house. He built an agency at one point. He has no desire to work at an agency. You can see in his mind that he's thinking about what is the most tolerable situation that I could create for myself using the skills that I already have. And as we were having the conversation, I was noticing the background on the Zoom call. His home is just gorgeous, and light is pouring in and it's meticulously designed, it's open and inviting. And I made a comment about it and he said, thanks for noticing. He goes, I love to entertain and I love to cook. And he goes, if you like the interior, you should see the exterior, because I just got my master gardener certification and I'm on the board of that school that certified me as a master gardener. You could just see that the energy level just in the course of the conversation was a 10 when he was talking about his gardening, and it was a 5 when he was talking about marketing. So we had a conversation about, like, why are you pursuing this in-house marketing stuff? And he goes, Greg, if I won the lottery, there is no question I would just do the gardening stuff. He said, I'm pursuing the in-house marketing stuff right now because I want to quiet the uncertainty, which is a beautiful way of describing the fear. It's going all in on the gardening. You don't know what's going to happen. And that is the inevitable dip that'll happen when you're in a transition. You will be challenged. Your salary likely will go down and you will trip over yourself as you're building momentum for this new thing. And there will be moments where you are frustrated. There will also be moments where you are absolutely energized. Here's the thing you want to do is trust yourself. You're still alive. You've been on the planet, and he's been on the planet for a long time. 25-year marketer. He has solved some really hard problems. Trust that you'll solve it. You'll get there. Sometimes when the heat is on, you're forced to solve it. You've got to figure it out. The alternative is this. You're in a role that you're half in, that you're not 100% energized with. People pick up on that. So it's up to you. It's your choice.